Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to insert down arrow in Word document. This is pretty simple and easy. Let's get started. So first method is the Unicode power user shortcut. This is the fastest method for someone who prefers technical shortcuts. So for this you need to type the code 2193 and immediately press Alt+X Alt together. The numbers will instantly transform into a down arrow. If you have a dedicated numeric keypad, then you need to hold down the Alt key and type 25 and release the Alt key. This will instantly insert the down arrow. So there is another method. You need to click on the insert and click on the equations and click on the insert new equation. So an equation editor box will be open up. In the symbols group you need to click on this drop down and arrow you need to select the basic math and here you need to find it and here it is. You just need to click to insert it and here it is. Another way is that you need to click on insert, click on the equation. So in the equation editor box put the backslash and type down arrow and hit the space bar. It will instantly convert to the down arrow. There is another method. You need to click on the search bar and type character map. Click on that and in the search box you need to type arrow and click on search. So in the Century Gothic group you need to find the down arrow and here it is. You just need to select it, then copy it, close it and then Ctrl V to paste it. And here you can see that you can change the size to the 48 as well. Another way is that you need to click on insert, click on the symbol, click on more symbols and in the font section you need to select the normal text and in the subset you need to select the arrows. Click on that and here you need to find it and here it is, or either you can type 2193. Your cursor will directly route to the arrow symbol. You just need to click insert and close it and here it is. So with these 6 methods you can easily insert down arrow in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.